What is going on, YouTube, man? It's your boy Spooky, and I'm back with another video, man. I apologize for the long wait. I've been busy at work. Also, I've been waiting on parts to come in, and there's one particular part that I was waiting on that just came in today. It is a new piece made by RIP Supercharger. If you're familiar with the name, then you know they make the baddest superchargers for your V6s. All right, before I get into the video, man, make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. Also, go follow the car page at 64_spooky. Also, follow the TikTok, man. I've been blowing up on TikTok lately, man. So y'all go follow that at Spooky Projects, man. Today's video is gonna be going over a new product from RIP Supercharger. It is the coil packs, performance coil packs that they make for your 6.4 Hemis, your 5.7s, and they are now in the works for making some for your 6.2s. So your Hellcats, you Hellcat owners, you Red Eye owners, whatever, yada yada. They got a product coming for y'all real soon, so stay tuned for that. Without further ado, man, let's go ahead and get this video started. All right, y'all, so we back, man. As I said earlier in the beginning, these are the new performance coil packs from RIP Supercharger. If you look at this box, man, this box is pretty badass. Like, I even like this little, what's the word I'm looking for? Retro look from the old Hemis. Believe they had designs on the Cudas and stuff like that back in the 70s and things. So I really like this box. Like I said, man, RIP Superchargers made some badass superchargers for your V6s, and now they got some performance parts for your 6.4s. So go ahead and open this bad boy up. Instructions, a little cool ass sticker. Might throw that on there, might not, I don't know. But this is perfect. They came in a little Hemi orange. This will go perfect under the car. Let me pull one of these motherfuckers out though. God damn, bitch, you stuck in now. Get out. Ah, here we go. So yeah, nice little coil packs. We'll see how they act, see how they work. I will drop the video or a link down in the description to their dyno testing of this video. I'm not going to dyno testing just yet because they're spark plugs. I'm not expecting no big ass gains. It's more just of ignition and things like that. As I know, I do have headers, do have intake, starter bodies, custom tune, full catback exhaust. So I'm down there full bow tone minus the cam and the heads. So I just figured I should add this on there just to help with the spark and the delivery and things like that. I don't know, I'm just trying things out, reviewing new products for you guys to introduce you all to new things. So let's go ahead and get over to the car. All right, y'all, so we back. As you can see, I'm up under the hood now. First things first, you're gonna need to take off your valve, your passenger valve cover. Really on both sides, but just for this video purposes, I'm gonna show you only the passenger side. Reason that being, because on the driver's side, for one, you have less space. Two, I'm gonna need to take this off and this off as well. So y'all just remember that in consideration. When you are doing this, you're gonna need to take this whole little piece off so that way you can get to one of the bolts. As you can see, you got two of them. So one of them on the driver's side is right up under the heat shield for the intake. You're gonna need to take those off, and that way so that way you can get to them. So we're gonna start on the driver's side. Passenger side. You got two bolts. As you see, I already took one out. So let's go ahead and take this other one out. All you're gonna need is a little 10mm. Go ahead and take that out. All right, y'all, now that we got those two bolts out, I'm gonna show y'all how to remove the little clips. So you're gonna push this little red piece up. You hear that little click? You're gonna push in and slide it up. All right, so I'm gonna repeat these steps for this side, and then show y'all where I'm at when I get done with that. All right, y'all, so now we got all 4 coil packs disconnected. I don't know if I mentioned it earlier, but you do have 4 coil packs on each side. So it's pretty easy. Like, it's straightforward. Only one you got to worry about is that last one, because the space is a little bit tight back there. but it's pretty easy to do at home. So the way to take the coil packs off, once you disconnecting them, all you're gonna do is just wiggle them out. That simple. Wiggle these out. That's what it looks like. So let's do a quick little comparison between these and the ones by RIP Supercharger. So as you can see, very similar. These come with their own bolts already attached, so you don't need to reuse the old ones. They have this nice little Hemi on the inside, Hemi logo. I like the touches to this one, so not a big difference. Nothing really big, too big. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace all of these and then show you what it looks like under the valve cover, and then we're going to conclude the video. Like I said, I'm not going to show y'all the driver's side because you will literally repeat the same steps from the passenger side on the driver's side. Just have to remove a little few things and then call it a day. So let's go ahead and get into installing the new RIP Supercharger coil packs on this 392. All right, y'all, just like that, we done. So like I said, these are the RIP Supercharger coil packs for the 6.4 Hemis. They also have some for the 5.7s, and they're making some for the 6.2s down the road. You will literally repeat the same steps you did on the passenger side onto the driver's side. Like I said, you're gonna have to take all this extra stuff off because you have less room on this side than you do on this side. So without further ado, man, that's gonna conclude the video. Shouts out to RIP Superchargers. Make sure y'all go shop with them if you're interested. Please go buy some. Like, I am not gonna give out false information. I don't know the actual power they make on the dyno tunes or nothing like that. I saw the video, like it looked like the numbers were good. I don't know. I'm testing it out because it's a new product, so I am the test dummy for you guys. Plain and simple. But like I said, man, without further ado, that's gonna conclude the video. Make sure y'all go follow the car page 64_spooky. Go follow the TikTok Spooky Projects. And make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. It's your boy Spooky, and I'm out. See y'all in the next video.